Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Class, the place where learning English feels gentle, steady, and possible. I'm Hannah.
Hi, everyone. I'm Daniel, and I'm really thankful you're here with us today. Hannah, you seem quiet today.
I am a little quiet. Yesterday was hard for me.
Oh, do you want to share?
Yes, last night I tried to practice speaking English. I turned on a video, I repeated a few sentences, but suddenly I felt tired, not in my body, but in my heart.
That kind of tiredness is heavy.
Yes, I thought, why is this still difficult? I've been learning for so long.
Many listeners understand that thought.
I felt frustrated. For a moment, I wanted to close everything and just stop trying.
Thank you for saying that honestly, because today we are talking about something very important: what to do when you feel discouraged in English. Before we continue, if our conversations help you feel calmer and stronger, please like this episode and subscribe to Speak Soft English. We are building confidence slowly together. Hannah, when you felt discouraged, what did you do?
First, I stopped studying.
That sounds honest.
Yes, I didn't force myself. I went outside for a short walk.
A walk can clear the mind.
It really can. While walking, I asked myself one question. Why did I start learning English?
That question changes everything.
I didn't start to be perfect. I started because I want to communicate. I want to understand the world. I want to grow.
That is powerful.
But sometimes we forget our reason. We focus only on mistakes.
Yes, we see what we cannot do. We forget what we can do. Let's tell our listeners something important. Difficulty does not mean failure. Sometimes difficulty means progress. Can you explain that?
Of course, when something feels easy, your brain is comfortable. But when something feels hard, your brain is building new connections.
So when English feels confusing, your brain is working. Exactly. Let's talk about something many learners feel but don't say: the quiet fear of not being good enough.
Ah, yes, that silent comparison.
You hear someone speaking fluent English and you think, I will never sound like that. But here is the truth. You are not competing with them. You are only growing from your past self. Ask yourself, are you better than 6 months ago? Do you understand more? Can you say more? If the answer is yes, you are moving forward.
Progress is not loud, it is quiet and slow. Now let's talk about time. Many people say, I don't have time for English.
Work, family, responsibilities, stress. Life is busy. So here is our gentle advice. Don't study for 1 hour. Study for 5 minutes.
5 minutes feels possible.
Yes, 5 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of reading, 5 minutes of speaking to yourself. Small practice is powerful.
On difficult days, you don't need to climb the whole mountain. Just take one step.
Hannah, can I ask you something personal?
Of course.
Have you ever felt embarrassed speaking English?
Yes, many times. My pronunciation was not clear. I used the wrong word. People corrected me.
Did it hurt?
A little, but I learned something important.
What?
Embarrassment is temporary. Growth is permanent.
That's beautiful.
Mistakes are not enemies, they are teachers. If you never speak, you never improve. If you speak imperfectly, you grow. Simple English is strong English.
Let's talk about tired days. Some days you don't feel lazy, you feel exhausted. That's different.
Yes, and resting is not quitting.
Rest is part of learning. If your brain is tired, give it kindness. Listen to easy English. Watch something simple. Repeat one short sentence. Consistency matters more than intensity.
Exactly. Now I want to speak directly to you, dear listener. If today you feel slow, if today you feel behind, if today you feel unsure, please don't decide your future based on one difficult day.
Hard days are not the whole story. Learning is not a straight line. It goes up, it goes down. Sometimes it feels flat. But even flat days are moving days. Your brain is learning quietly, even when you don't feel it. Hannah, what about fear of speaking?
Fear is normal. Fear means you care. If English did not matter to you, you would not feel afraid. So fear is not weakness. It is a sign that something is important.
On the other side of fear is pride. The first time you speak, your voice may shake, your heart may beat fast, but after you finish, you feel stronger. Confidence comes after action, not before. Let's leave our listeners with a small challenge. Today, say one English sentence out loud. Just one.
It can be simple. I am learning. I am improving. I will not quit. Say it quietly, say it softly, but say it. Then smile, because you tried.
Before we finish, let's remember this. English is not just grammar. It is not just vocabulary. It is opportunity. It is connection. It is courage. If you stop, that door stays closed. If you continue, even slowly, the door opens little by little. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to continue. If English feels heavy today, put it down gently. Rest. Breathe. Then pick it up again tomorrow. One sentence at a time. One day at a time. You are not alone.
I'm Hannah.
I'm Daniel, and this is Speak Soft English. If this conversation helped you, you can like this episode and subscribe to Walk With Us. And before you leave, write one simple English sentence in the comments. Just one. We will read it, and we will be proud of you. Don't give up. Keep going. One word at a time.